I'm Katerina Moyen. We're in Rock Hill, South Carolina, and I live with my husband and my 2 sons. Both boys have their own sink area, but their bathrooms are really dim. They don't get any natural light at all. I find natural light to be a more inspiring environment and puts me in a better frame of mind. And when the installer came for the initial visit, it was easy for me to visualize the sun tunnel. It would just be a low-cost, easy way to get some light in there. The installation was certainly much easier than most other home remodeling projects. The whole process took about an hour and a half, and the most amazing thing is that there was no dust. The bathrooms have so much natural light. I went up there and noticed just how airy it looks. I would tell anyone who's thinking about this that it's super easy, it's quick, and to me those are the most important things when I'm thinking about changing something in my house. I'd like to put it in every room.